Hi everyone, it is August 8th, 2022, and I am here with you in the coop area, which is where we do a lot of our plant preparing and potting and all, which I'm sure if you watch videos in the past, you know exactly where we are. It's the one attached to the greenhouse. So I had a video before on the garlic that we harvested, and then we put it on racks that had 4 shelves per rack, and we were letting it dry so that the covering over the cloves got dry and nothing was going to grow on them, and they were cured. So then after that, the next step is what we're going to do today, and that's going to be, we're going to cut the ends of the stalks off so they're shorter, trim the roots back, and then we'll bring them down to a cool, dry place. It's about 50 degrees, which is our root cellar. So I'm just going to show you on time-lapse doing it, but I'll just take you and remind you, in case you didn't see the other video, what we are doing. So I'm going to turn this around. All right, so here we are in the coop area. And this is the table we always work on. So I took one of the 8 racks that we have in the other room of garlic in here. And I'm going to take this garlic and I'm going to go ahead and cut the little extra roots off and the stem. And it's going to end up looking like that. And then we place it in one of our little totes, and then I will put these in the tractor bucket, and we'll take them out to the root cellar. So this is one of the racks worth of 4 shelves, and then I'll show you, this is where we were drying them. So as you can see, these are empty, so that's where I just took them. But there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and 3 more racks on the other side. So I'll see how much I can get done today. Maybe if it goes well, I can get them all done and get them in the root cellar, and that would be great, because it's almost time to harvest the red onions. And I need those racks in order to put them on to dry. All right, we'll see you in a jiffy. Bye-bye. everybody. It is August 9th, and we are finished with our project of the garlic, at least for now until planting. It is a little cloudy and overcast today, but I was able to finish up cutting the ends off of the stems of the garlic and the little roots so that we could go ahead and preserve them for the future. So I'm going to turn this camera around, and this is the outside we'll start with of the what we call sugar shack and root cellar. So the bottom is the root cellar, the top hopefully we'll make some maple syrup sometime with, and that's why we call it the sugar shack. So I'll take you on the windy stairs and let's give it a whirl. All right, well, I guess I'll back up and kind of show you the building. There we go. So we're going in the main door, and we have our wood supply. Up the little step to the top part. And then we're going to take a little jaunt down the spiral staircase to the root cellar, where the canning jars are, and also we'll put shallots and also garlic down here, and potatoes, and everything we want to keep preserved. This usually stays about 50 degrees down here. It's a dry area. We do have a dehydrator, so that keeps it nice and dry, because garlic and other things like cool and dry and dark. So this will serve the purpose. So I'll just kind of pan around the room just a little bit here. There we go. All right, let's come on this side. And this is the garlic. Yay! So we have these cool little trays, bins, whatever you want to call them. And they're nice because they have holes in them and they get air circulation. So I have 1, 2, 3 over here. I put some 2x4s on the bottom so that they're not on the ground, so they get air circulation from all the holes in the bottom. And then 3 also on this side. The 5 of them that are not labeled are for eventually going ahead and cutting up and dehydrating them and making garlic powder. But these ones on top, and they're labeled big bulbs for fall 2022 planting. Somewhere between, let's see, when does Kevin say? He says Halloween and Thanksgiving is when we plant them. So when I was going through all the bulbs and cutting the ends off and the roots, I picked the largest ones because they have the biggest cloves to plant in the ground this fall to continue year after year after year. So just wanted to let you know we did get a good harvest, even though we had tons of weeds up there, and I'm happy, and that's great. So just wanted to tie in and let you know what actually we finished with, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up, or you're entertained, thumbs up, and subscribe if you like to. Take care. Nice seeing you again. Bye-bye.